8 weird things on Amazon I actually like. Number 5 is my bug zapper that does a great job zapping bugs. You can swing the bug zapper around to zap bugs and you won't believe the rate at which the bugs are zapped.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Number 6 is this black box that miraculously eliminates the odor of anything inside it.
No way.
It has a combination lock for some reason and several compartments that are perfect for things like stinky diapers, smelly veggies, and different herbs and spices.
Nice.
Number 2 are my new cast iron pans that come with a smooth finish from 4 seasoned layers of grapeseed oil.
Whoa.
This gives us a natural non-stick finish that allows us to cook anything with minimal cleanup. Number 4 are my sweat overalls that are so comfy, they fit right, they have a ton of pockets, and they have sizes for the whole family.
Genius.
Number 8 is my mouse jiggler that you can plug into the wall so computer programs can't detect it, and this will give you the option to set your mouse there while you're away and give the impression to anyone watching your activity that you're there.
Cool.
Number 7 is my adjustable rolling pin that allows you to roll out your dough to the perfect consistency every time. Just adjust the roller to the width you want and then roll away.
Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.